Good morning, dear students. Today I am teaching you the optics second part. Second part in the sense that this is the second video. And in this one, I will teach you today mirror formula, then magnification, which is called linear magnification also. So, mirror formula and magnification, then the image formation by the concave and convex mirror. So, in this mirror formula, it is the formula which establishes the relation between focal length and distance of image and object, which is 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. And in this situation, f you will take as a focal length. It can be positive or negative as the sign convention yesterday I told you. And you have to take the distance from pole to the focal point. And next thing, u, object distance from pole to the object, and this one is a v, image distance from pole to the image. In this situation, all the distances will be measured from pole of the mirror, right? We'll solve 1 2 numericals based on it also later on. And in this one, linear magnification, m. Linear magnification is represented by m, and after some time in this chapter when the angular magnification will come, that is represented by theta or m theta. So m is height of image, the ratio of, you please write here, I am dictating, the ratio of height of image with the height of object is called linear magnification. While solving the proof, it is equal to this one because these two triangles are similar, but proof is not required here. Only this one is required, only formula is required, that's why. So in this situation, if linear magnification equal to 1, that means you can see height of image is equal to height of object. If m is greater than 1, that means height of image is less than height of object. Clear? So height of object is greater than height of image, you can say. So magnification, m is greater than 1 in this situation. HO is greater than HI, and m is less than 1, that means HI is greater than HO. This is the situation. Clear? So these are the things and these are the conditions in this topic. Kindly note down these formulas. Clear? And next thing, next is sign convention. Sign convention for concave mirror. It's very simple. मैं थोड़ा आपको explain करता हुआ चलूँगा. It's very simple. This is a concave mirror. M1, M2. This is a straight line. There is a pole. This is focus, this is optical center, which is at r distance, and this one is f, and this is pole. Object will be situated always in these situations here. Means first we will take object is at infinity. This is the first case when object is at infinity. Second case when object is beyond c. When object is beyond c, second case. Third case when object is at C, means object is at center. This is the third case. Fourth case, when object is situated between C and F, right? Between C and F. These are the image formation and sign convention. Image formation also. Sign convention also I am telling parallel with this. Fourth. Fifth is when object is situated at F, and last one is when object is situated between the pole and the focus. Sign convention for this, it's very simple. You have to take all distances from the pole. Yesterday I teach you, right? Taught you that all the distances must be taken from the pole. If the incident ray is passing through this direction, this one is the incident ray. If the incident ray is passing through this direction and you want to measure the distance from the pole towards this direction, That means you are moving opposite direction of the incident ray. In this situation, you will take it as a negative sign. So in this situation, F is always negative for concave. Listen carefully, for concave. F is taken as always negative. R means 2F, which is also taken as negative for concave only. U must be taken as always negative. U is this side only. Image distance or height of object, height of object, this is positive because it is always above the x-axis, above this principal axis. And next thing, height of image. Now in this situation, height of image situation, it can be real or virtual, right? So if suppose that you are taking it real, let us suppose V for the real object. Real object, real image are those which we can take on a screen, right? Real object means the image formed by the projector. That is called real image generally, or by your camera. It is the real image. So real image which we can take on a screen. So real image will always inverted, or inverted image will be always a downward direction, which is a downward direction means we will take it negative also, V also negative, and height of real image is also negative we will take because it will form this downward from the principal axis. Clear? And this is also called real and inverted. It is called inverted image. Next thing, we suppose virtual. Virtual image is always erect. Now see, the virtual image will be formed here only. It is only one situation which is made when an object is placed between the focus and the pole. This is the virtual image. Keep in your mind. This thing you have studied in 10th class, so I am not elaborating it anymore. So it is the V. So V can be positive for this because incident ray towards this direction, this is incident ray, and from the pole you will measure the distance of this virtual image. This one is along the incident ray, that's why you will take it as positive. Clear? So you just keep in your mind these things, and these are the sign convention. One by one I am explaining. When object is at infinity, image will form at focus. This one is an image. Here I have written first, I am writing here A. First का A. First object का जो image बनेगा वो A पे बनेगा, which is point size. If we will move towards the pole, then image will shift towards this direction till focus. Now listen, if object is beyond C, then image will be formed between C and F. Here, this is the second portion B. Second object, B is image. At C only, image will be formed at C. This is C. So third at C. Fourth, if you are making it as here between C and F, object is here between C and F, then image will be formed beyond C. This one is D. Fourth D. Fourth is D. Right? And the next one, image, object is situated at F. Object is situated at F5. So image will be at infinity. E means fifth E. And last one, 6. Object is situated between F and P. This is the object, and the image will be formed backside of the mirror, which is called virtual image. And this one, 6, it is F. So it is F only. So these are the things which is very clear in front of you all. So kindly make proper notes. If you will make proper notes, then it will help you while solving the numerical. Clear? Same for the convex. Convex has only two situations, because in the convex one there is only two situations, not this much. In there are 6 situations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are when these 5 situations of the object are shown in this board, it is making, the concave mirror is making as a virtual image, sorry, real image and inverted image, and in this situation 6th one it is making virtual. What is the use of concave? You should know. Use of concave mirror is used by the dentist also to make a bigger image, right? Bigger image when the object must be situated between pole and focus. This is the thing कि आपको बहुत क्लोज आना पड़ता है उस ऑब्जेक्ट को पोल और फोकस के बीच बनाने के लिए, इसलिए मैं आपको इसको एक्सपेरिमेंट में भी कराऊंगा वहां क्लास में, जब प्रैक्टिकल होगा उस वक्त भी ध्यान दीजिएगा, बट अभी फिलहाल नोट्स बनाइए. नेक्स्ट थिंग फॉर कॉन्वेक्स. इन कॉन्वेक्स बेटा इट्स वेरी सिंपल थिंग. दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स, इनसाइड पॉलिश्ड, and here is the reflecting surface. I am making 2 diagram only. When object is at infinity, this is the first situation, and when object is near the pole, this is the pole, and this one M1, this one M2. This is the second case of the object. Now in both the situation, the image will form at focus. Clear? Sorry. In this situation, when object is situated at infinity, in that situation, the image will be formed at F. And this one is C. So ऑब्जेक्ट अगर इधर है तो ये फोकस पे बनेगा, बहुत ही पॉइंट साइज. मैं इस फर्स्ट को ए से नोट कर रहा हूं, यानी कि फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट रखी है ए पे, ये इमेज बनी है. इस वाले के लिए हम साइन कन्वेंशन बनाते हैं, क्योंकि जो इंफिनिटी से रेज आती है वो पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट आती है, और पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट होती है इससे बाहर, और फाइनली ये फोकस पे जाके मिलती है. कल हमने ये डिस्कस किया है. नाउ सी a ray will come towards this parallel to principal axis, it will move towards this, क्योंकि हायर एंगल बाहर वाला है तो रे को इजियर पाथ चाहिए मूव होने के लिए, तो इजियर पाथ पे जाएगा, राइट? जैसे आप लोगों को इजी वे चाहिए पास होने के लिए और मार्क्स लाने के लिए, राइट? तो इजी वे, इसलिए लाइट को भी इजी वे चाहिए अपने पाथ को ट्रेवल करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट थिंग, एक यहां से जाएगा सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से बेटा, या आप यहां से भी ले सकते हैं, पोल से सीधा एंगल बनाते हुए पीछे ले लेंगे उसको. तो दूसरा मैं ले रहा हूं सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से. एक और लेना चाहते हैं तो इनफाइनाइट रे किसी पॉइंट से निकल सकती हैं, तो इस तरीके से बाहर हो जाएगी लाइक दिस. तो ये जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे है इसे आप पीछे मोड़ाइए. देखिए तीनों पॉइंट एक ही जगह पे जाके मिल रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये आपकी इमेज बनती है. तो कॉन्वेक्स जो इमेज बनाता है वो बहुत छोटा बनाता है. आपने देखा होगा किसी टर्निंग पॉइंट पे एक रिफ्लेक्टर की तरह भी ये काम करता है. तो दिस इज द इमेज, सेकंड का इमेज नंबर बी, ये सेकंड बी. मैंने एक में आपको इमेज फॉर्मेशन शो करवा दिया, इस तरीके से होता है, और ऐसा ही क्लियर इमेज आपका बना होना चाहिए कॉपी में. नाउ इन दिस सिचुएशन आल्सो द सेम थिंग, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस ऑलवेज टेकन एज नेगेटिव, फोकस फॉर दिस यू नो पॉजिटिव, आर यू नो पॉजिटिव, इमेज यू नो पॉजिटिव, और हाइट ऑफ इमेज इट इज वर्चुअल. Virtual means positive. Object, it is also positive. It's very simple. यहाँ कोई वर्चुअल, यहाँ कोई रियल इमेज बनती नहीं है, इसलिए रियल का कोई केस यहाँ पे आएगा नहीं. Clear? So these are the things. Thank you and have a nice day.